And today is finally the day. It is absolutely freezing here in Utah, but ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. I have finally bought the elusive JDM car. I've been talking about this since the day I sold my Toyota Supra, and although the critics are gonna say it's not a true JDM car, come on, baby. It's so cold. This is not the time. There it is. Although the critics would say it's not a true JDM, it really is. And I know it's not, but it is, but it isn't. But I'm excited. It is so cold here in Utah today. So step one, we gotta swap out the Raptor for the Events Road Coupe. You guys might remember the Valvetronic on the Coupe is broken. It sounds like a Dyson. And the JDM car is actually at makes and model. So we're gonna drop off the Coupe, they're gonna fix the exhaust, and we're gonna drive the JDM car home. And no, it's not actually a JDM car, but we're gonna call it a JDM car because everybody thinks it is one, even if it's not, but it is. Also, quick side note, Burlacker's wheels are white. They look so good, and he added a hood scoop to the rolls. I don't know. I guess he thinks that's gonna help sell it. I'm gonna give you guys a hint on the JDM slash non-JDM car that I'm buying today. The car is gonna be the ultimate bug killer. Wait, what? Step one, we actually have to go to the bank because we actually have to pay for the car. Also, the downshifts with the valves closed are so bad. They're so terrible. It's not terrible. Terrible was a strong adjective. It just doesn't sound as good as it can. Now, you guys know the drill. Full disclosure, there's no funny business. There's no dealership kickbacks. I'm buying the car in cash. It's not a finance. It's not a lease deal. I'm not gonna vlog inside the bank though because it's very, very awkward. So we're gonna put you back in the venti. And just like that, welcome here to beautiful makes and models. Now, I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I'm gonna give you guys a hint. The car is gonna be the ultimate bug killer. The only goal with this entire car is to make it faster than my Bugatti Veyron. We might also add a little bit of girth because when in doubt, add girth. Yeah, that was a dumb line, but you know what I mean. You guys have seen this car before, and wow. I was hoping I was gonna get some balloons. I appreciate it, in my color scheme, no less. I don't know how to really say this. I kinda sorta clickbaited you guys. This is not the JDM car, but it kinda sort of is, but it isn't. The JDM car is still to come on the channel, but on the 1st of December 2020, we had the Nissan GTR Godzilla. How cool is this wrap? The color shifting is absolutely mesmerizing to look at. You can see the white metallic paint right there, but then check out all of the matte carbon fiber. The 2017 and newer GTRs are just so incredibly plush. So, you guys might not know Brendan. He is the corporate controller here at Makes and Models. It's a pretty big title, and he just said we can rev it. It's not a V12, but soon this car is gonna be spitting flames from North Carolina. I need to find out what exhaust is on it. It sounds pretty good, but soon it's gonna sound incredible. The fun and games are all kind of sort of over. We actually do have to pay for the car in that office. I just signed my entire life away, but now I'm applying for the vanity plate, so I went with Bug Killer, and my explanation, I own a Bugatti Veyron and I want this car to be faster, so hopefully we get approved because Killer's a little bit violent. I don't know, we'll see. Zach just came up with another cool idea. What if we went with Exterminator because Bug, yeah, anyway, you get the joke. I don't know why I'm trying to explain it. Exterminator, E-X-T-R-M-T-R. Okay, that wasn't right, but I'll get it right. And just like that, boys, we actually officially own Godzilla, the Bug Killer. Maybe, if we get approved. We might not get approved. Please, if you work at oh, I know somebody at the DMV. It's crazy in 2 years from Baby Mac to Baby Zilla. Okay, that was a dumb line. That wrap just looks so good under this Utah sun, though. I'm not mature enough. Go. Wow. That got my heart spinning fast too. Oh my goodness. So we're talking 550 wheel horsepower on a Mustang dyno. On a dyno jet, it's probably closer to 600 wheel horsepower. Whew, the goal is 1,300 wheel horsepower or more. 1,300, that's the goal. We're gonna leave it at 1,300. 1,300 is the goal. I gotta give massive props to the previous owner. Every single thing about this car, it just makes sense. First off, the bronze Vossen wheels, you have the neochrome hardware, the iridescent wrap just makes everything flow together oh so well. A lot of people ask me all the time, how do I always get such a great deal on used cars? And I wish I had like this intuition from above, but I don't. I wish there was somehow I could take credit for it, but I really can't because Auto Tempest is the magic behind my method. Auto Tempest, you guys know them. I love them. You love them. Anybody who's ever used Auto Tempest loves them because you always get such a great deal on used cars. They're the #1, the premier source for great deals on used cars around the country. Next time you're looking for a used car, you gotta go with Auto Tempest, boys. I'm here on the Auto Tempest homepage. I've selected Nissan GTR, any distance, 2017 or newer, because I know that I want one of the newer gen Nissan GTRs. I'm gonna hit search and Auto Tempest is gonna pull in all of the 2017 or newer Nissan GTRs for sale from all the major classified websites like eBay Motors. Scroll further down, we have cars.com. And like I was saying earlier, there's so many different iterations of the Nissan GTR, it's hard to figure out what their value should be. Like, what's the difference between a 2017 and a 2018? Or what's the difference between a GTR Premium and a GTR Nismo? I almost bought a GTR Nismo, but I felt like the price difference of 50 grand just didn't make much sense. I'm gonna put a link in the description below to my Auto Tempest Nissan GTR search results. Go check it out. Go check out all the GTRs for sale in the country and let me know what you think. Whoa, 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 what is this? Did you see that? What? Check that out. That is gorgeous. Now, I want to thank Auto Tempest once again for sponsoring today's video, and I also want to thank them for making such an amazing website that continually helps me get great deals on used cars. Guys, check out the link in the description below, autotempest.com. I feel like we need to revisit this one more time. This guy actually put a hood scoop on his Rolls-Royce limo. I mean, that being said, get that car some airflow, let that V8 purr, right? This color shifting wrap in direct sunlight, it looks maroon, but then as you walk closer and the angles change, you see that bronze and that green. Looks so cool. It's kind of like a baby Guaxilla. Obviously, Tanner Fox has a Guaxilla. Johnny, what do you think?
Thanks for the car.
I know we're trying to get financing for the house, but I couldn't help myself.
I'll take a down payment of. You bought this?
You can come with us to lunch. There's a back seat.
We were just going to lunch.
You want to come with us?
Mo Bettis?
No. You bought a JDM, so we're going to get sushi.
No, bro, we're not getting sushi.
Sushi doesn't go in this body. Sushi doesn't enter this.
Are you kidding me, bro?
Okay.
Your body has adapted to be anti-sushi.
This is true.
If you like sushi, if you own a sushi restaurant, I support you and I love you.
Too much talking. Bye-bye.
I wasn't really anticipating this, but when your mortgage guy wants to take your car for a joyride, you just say yes. Johnny, get me approved. I really need him to get me approved. I don't know.
Did he just get in and drive away?
He's my mortgage guy. Yeah. It's what he does.
Wow, it's got like 18 different colors.
It really is nice looking. You'll take it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
I'll sell it to you for 105.
What'd you buy it for?
85.
Deal.
Okay, yes. It's always interesting when Johnny says he got you a gift. What is that?
TheStradman purple shorts.
Wait, what? Really?
For the gym.
Yes. I think that's Johnny's subtle way of telling me I need to work out, which he's not wrong. Luckily, I have a sweatshirt on because if I didn't, it'd be very, very embarrassing. Dude, that's sick. We working out today?
Absolutely.
These are actually sick, though. What? Those are so cool, Johnny. We should match. I want to do a wrap that matches these shorts.
Isn't that cool?
Like, actually, I'm dead serious. Those are so cool. Are you ready? Yeah. Just kidding. There's Baby Burlacker's first acceleration and go. Hey, and not that we should, but and again. That is 2 more turbos than the Porsche Taycan Turbo S.
That's a really big duck.
They can't see the duck, bro.
Yeah, but
okay, we'll drive by the duck, okay?
Well, this is a treat. You have cup holders.
Yeah.
Wow.
So people here in America are a little bit more girthy, you might say. Oh, thank you. Okay, I was on a Girth Nation talk. But in Japan, people are much skinnier and yeah.
Healthier.
God bless America, am I right? I love Japan. When I say God bless America, that was not a knock on Japan. I love Japan. Yeah. This acceleration right here is for Burlacker's Rubber Duck. Rubber Duck, I messed it up! Whatever. Oh, it's Burlacker's Rubber Duck. Rubby Duck, really? Wow. How did I mess that clip up? I had thought about it, I had scripted it and everything, and I still messed it up. Okay, this car is a lot of fun. We're gonna go to jail because...
Cop. Right there.
He got me. He got me. I always use that line on him and he got me. Respect. Link in the description below to Baby Burlacker. There's just something about a taco crunch that just hits differently. This guy over here has the audacity. He kicks me out of his garage. He kicks me out of his garage, okay? And then he orders a heater. What, am I supposed to pick out your trash for you now?
I ordered them before you left.
Yeah, because we knew you were going to kick me out. The audacity. A-U-D-A-C-I-T-Y, audacity. It's just crazy, boys. We're living out here in Mustang Central. This garage is freezing. I've been filming in this freezing cold garage for 3 years now, and he's ordering a heater now. And the heater doesn't work in my warehouse.
That's not my problem.
Yeah, I know you have electricity.
For you. You're welcome.
No, I didn't need to. That was a waste. Get it for Grandma. Come on. Get it. Good boy, good boy. Oh my goodness, that was like 2 seconds. Good flu. And just like that, the GTR, aka the Bug Killer, is back to home sweet home. Okay, I gotta focus. The more I drive this Nissan GTR, I kind of sort of start to get it. I understand why there's the GTR fanboys. Just the passion, the history, the loyalty. It's Godzilla, aka the Bug Killer. Okay, that was kind of sort of cool actually. Godzilla the Bug Killer. Okay, kind of sort of dumb at the same time. But like I said many times in today's video, we only have one goal, and that is to make this car faster than that car right there. I'd reckon we probably need, what, 1400 horsepower, which on a Nissan GTR is actually relatively standard. Like, that's actually a pretty slow Nissan GTR. There are GTRs out there in the world with 2500, 3000 horsepower. We're not gonna go quite that crazy, but we might, but I don't think we're going to. What do you guys think? Do you like the Nissan GTR choice? Should I have gotten the Mark IV Toyota Supra? Or maybe that's still to come? Wait, what? Maybe, maybe not. I'm not sure. I don't think it's going to. But guys, check out that link to Autotipus. Let me know what you think. Did I get an amazing deal on this Nissan GTR? But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out. I just locked the Nissan GTR. Really, Nissan? You could have made it sound cooler than that. It sounds like a Maxima. I mean, not that there's anything wrong with a Maxima.